Okay, so here I am back in learning mode. Here's my knowledge slice. Here's the topic I'm working on. So now I want to show you what happens if you get something wrong in ALEKS or if you use the explain features or the resources. Okay, so again, we talked about our learning page. We know we're supposed to take notes there. We know we have the resources over here. So let's skip forward to the actual problem. Okay, and I need to graph the inequality below on the number line. All right, so again, I'm going to go through this kind of quickly just so the video isn't very long. But, you know, you would be writing down whatever you needed to write down in your notebook, and you would be taking your time making sure you got the problems correct. All right, so let's check this. Okay, I got it correct. There's my +1. All right, let's do the next one. Okay, so let's say I worked through this, and let's say I got it wrong by accident. Okay. Uh-oh, I got it wrong. Now, look what happened. I lost my green bar. But don't get frustrated. I can earn it back. And remember, then when I get 2 in a row, it'll bump me up. Okay? So if you do get it wrong, it does take away, but then you just have to fix it and you'll get it back. Okay? So I do have this try again availability. Same problem, so let's figure out what I did wrong. Oh, well, I should have had an open circle. And, oh, my shading was on the wrong side. So let's get rid of that and let's just do it over. All right, let's check it, recheck it. Okay, so I got it right. So now I'm back to where I was, okay? Because I did get that one wrong, so it, you know, I'm still at 1 green bar. All right, let's work again. All right, now let's graph it. Okay, and let's say I'm looking at it and I'm like, you know what, I'm really not sure. I don't want to press check and get it wrong because then I'm going to lose my green bar. So let's look at an explain. Okay, notice it's the same problem. Okay, the problem didn't change. They're going to explain it to me. I'm going to take notes in my notebook, and I'm also going to write down in my notebook that I used the explain on this topic, because that way, as the student, I know which topics I use the explain on over and over again. That way, when I'm studying for my test and I'm looking through my notebook, I know that I really need to focus on those. Okay, so I looked at the explain. I'm ready to go now. All right, it changed the problem, but that's okay. Since I just looked at the explain, I should be able to do it. All right, and now a lot of students are afraid to click on explain sometimes because they think, no, it won't give me credit if I click on explain. That's not true. Watch. I got it right, and boom, there I go. I didn't get the 2 in a row, though, because I used explain. So it's not that it's not giving me credit, it's just not giving me the bump for the 2 in the row. You have to do 2 in a row on your own without the explain to get the extra bar. All right, let's do another one. All right, so let's say I'm looking at this, and I'm like, you know what, I don't want to click on explain. I just maybe want to watch a quick video to tell me how to do it. Okay, so let's say I watch the video, and then after I watch the video, so here the video is going to come up, it's going to explain to me. After I watch the video, I'm like, all right, I got this. Let's go ahead and check it. And there's my 2 in a row. So notice when I didn't use the explain and I used one of these resources, I can still get my 2 in a row. All right, so let's do another one, and let's just get my wonderful badge because I'm going to complete these now. There I go, and yay, 3 in a row, and look at this. I'm going to get a reward. Yay! Okay, so it just kind of tells you that you're making progress, you're moving forward, and everything is good. Okay, so at that point, you can go back to your home page and kind of look and see where you're at, or you can just keep working, keep continuing your path. All right? Now, one more thing that I do want to remind you of. When you get something wrong in ALEKS, you'll see this on the sample notebook page. I don't want you to erase all your work in your notebook. Just simply cross it out, put a big X through it, and redo it underneath. Again, you want to keep your mistakes there, so when you come in for help or when you ask questions in class, you can open up your notebook and we can look at it and I can say, well, look, right here, this is where you made your mistake. So we can pinpoint your mistake and then you won't make them again. If you erase all of your work and then you say, oh, I don't know why I keep getting this problem wrong. Well, I don't know why you get it wrong either. I have nothing to look at. So if you let me see your work, then we can help you more.